In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and clicking on sound. Now you can click on vibration at the top to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Then click on vibrate phone calls and apply the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. When you finished, go back. Click on this switcher next to shortcut to prevent ringing, and if you wish to enable it, tap on it on the left and set up vibrate by simple click. Then go back again, scroll all the way down, and tap on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and touch vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!